Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a adorable variation of a messy bun. You guys loved the last messy bun tutorial we did, and this one is so cute for fall. It has a cute little braid in it, so keep watching to learn how to do it. Before we get into these cute styles, be sure to hit the like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so you can get more inspiration for your beauty routine every single week. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking this first little mohawk section of my hair, and I'm going to kind of push everything else to the back so that I don't confuse myself. And I'm actually going to tie that off with a little hair tie. And then I'm going to do a French braid. And with a French braid, remember you're putting those sides over top of the middle and then slowly adding in as you go. Okay, and I'm just going to secure my braid with a little bobby pin and fluff it out and make it look really thick and good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my hair over and then start putting it into a messy bun. I want this one to be pretty high, so I'm just going to push everything upwards, try to smooth it out, especially in the back where your hair likes to separate a little bit. I'll just run my fingers through all of it, pushing it all upwards. And then I'm going to take my band, put it around. Halfway through, I'm going to twist it again. And then fluff it out. And I'm going to try to keep my braid visible. And then I'm going to take the rest, wrap it around, and then we're going to make it look a little messier. Okay, and then I'm just going to take little pieces from the sides, pull them out, give myself just a little bit of face framing, make it a little messier, and then I'm going to pull on the sides. Just tiny pieces to make it look natural and not quite as tight and slick. Gives you a lot of extra body when you do this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any pieces sticking out like crazy, take a small little bobby pin and just pin them in, and it'll hold throughout the day. But I love this messy bun. It's a fun way to change it up because it has the braid and then the braid through the bun. But for me especially, it's perfect because I have a lot of postpartum hair coming in, so it keeps that all off my face and back. But if you have bangs, this is perfect for you as well if you want to keep your bangs back for a workout or just to change it up. This is such a great way to do it. So if you loved this tutorial and try it, be sure to let us know, send us a picture or tag us on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for watching.